Bonjour, bonjour, bonjour. Comment ça va? La samba. C'est ma channel. We are here at Parc Jean Drapeau. I said here, this is something special. The 25th anniversary of Mosaïcultures International de Montréal. They say 300,000 people now live here permanently. And one of these is the sister. That one, the one that you are looking at. That is the sister. And the other one is the Mother Earth and the man who planted trees. These are the highlights of this anniversary of Mosaïcultures International de Montréal. So we are going to search for this. Okay? Let's go. I hope we are not lost. Because according to the map, after the metro, we turn right. So we are on the right direction. I really see. I will ask the guide. This way is the Drapeau Park. The park.
Le parc?
Là, juste là.
Oh, je suis pas sûr, mais je pense que c'est par là-bas. Avec la plage, là, pis tout, là. The beach?
No, park.
Park.
Yeah, the park.
But you are in the park here.
No, I'm looking for this.
Because I don't know everywhere, it's so big here.
Mosaïcultures International ici, Jean Drapeau, Parc Jean Drapeau.
You are on Parc Jean Drapeau. But it depends where you want to go. Swimming
I want to see the statue.
Swimming pool is there.
No, I'm looking for the statue. The big statue.
Oh, I don't know. Really, I don't know.
Human statue.
Better ask somebody who works here.
Okay?
Okay?
Thank you so much. I went in the wrong direction. One was too far and couldn't see. I think the look of what I came for. Thankfully, a few hundred people helped me put me back on the right path. That guy in front of me, walking, helped me to show the way. He told me to follow him and he will show me the way to the garden where the Messiah also is located.
You take metro?
Yeah, I thought the metro.
Yeah, metro is there.
Those I thought on the
Yeah, no, it's wrong.
left side, but it's on the.
No, this no
No.
good.
I should ask the metro.
You want to walk
Straight ahead.
yeah. Find the picture.
Yeah, I'm making a video for the garden. Sometimes the best way to discover something beautiful is on foot. I walked into Parc Jean Drapeau looking for art, but found more than I expected. And somewhere along the way, I even got lost. Ooh la la, what a shame. Walking doesn't always lead us straight to the destination, but it gives us time to slow down, notice more, and connect to the journey. Look, I found what I was looking for. Yes, the sister. Sister, abstract, modern, standing at the right hand of the sister's garden. Wow! I heard even more majestic in person. Ocean. Random little stores, flowering greenery, waterfalls, hanging from my hand. Not just a statue, but a symbol of pride, nature, and care. She's not just a statue. She's a living reminder of our connection to the planet. Finally, I met the man who planted this at last. It light produces the patience and renewal. The man who planted this, brother. Nothing brought me here, not just to see the students proud too, but to see them, step by step, live by this. It reminded me that walking isn't just movement. It's a way to connect with art, nature, and ourselves. So, if you ever visit Mosaïcultures, take your time, walk slowly, let the path surprise you. Because sometimes the work is the masterpiece. Surprise! Thank you for working with me. If you enjoy this work, live well, comment and please subscribe. See you in the next part. Bye-bye.